Hello, this is the English version of a recently published video about the transformation from a C47 installed on the DM42 and then back to the C47. So the first thing we need are some files. We need from Swiss Micros the following stuff. This is the Swiss Micros page technical, and here we have a section for the model DM42, and we go to firmware files, which is here, exactly this part here. And if you have your DM42 for some time now, you will know this very well. So when updates are published and released, then you see such a combo file here, which combines the DMCP OS from Swiss Micros with the DM42 software written by Thomas Ocken. And this is exactly not what we should try to install, because this will fail. You see here my DM42, and I start it, and you see it's a C47 installed on this machine. So to revert the process and come back to the original DM42, we first have a look in QSPI_data. And there we have to download exactly this file here. And you will always find the most recent version here. I have downloaded this already in this folder. It's this file here, the QSPI bin file. And the next thing we need is the DM42 program as a single file. So not combined with the DMCP, but solo, so to say. Okay, so download this. And I have also done this already. It's this file here. Okay, next step is activate USB on the C47. If you don't have it, choose the cat function, and under A you will find quickly act USB, activate USB. Okay, we do so, and now we have the USB mass storage function available. And this was the wrong side, but I'll change this just a moment. Okay. And here we go back to our video folder, which is here. So you recognize it, right? So what we do now is, after a backup, if you wish, we delete all the stuff in here. I select everything and delete everything. And now we select the program file, and we select the DM42 program file. No, the program file and the QSPI file. And both are now transferred to the DM42 with paste. This always takes a moment, but I will show you the process exactly in real time, so you have an idea what to expect if you do this by yourself. Okay, that's it. It's important to note there is a strong recommendation to eject using this button on your computer and not do this by using exit on the calculator. Okay, so we eject and we see the calculator has come back from the system menu, and now we need DMCP on the C47, right? So if you don't have it in your menu, just go to catalog and look for DMCP. And now we choose this item here, number 4, load QSPI from FAT. Exactly at the moment I press this key, it starts the process. Okay, now we need a reboot. I press exit. It still has C47 loaded. We press exit now. Program C47, press any key. And now we choose item 3. And here we see that we have the DM42 PGM file available, which we have copied just a second ago on the computer. And we press enter and get a warning that some data will get lost, but that's exactly what we want to do. So enter. And you see it's checking the program DM42 PGM for the hash value and now starts writing this into memory. Press any key to start. We see DMCP loaded and program loaded DM42 PGM. We press exit. And we have a DM42, right? Exactly as it was delivered by Swiss Micros. Okay, now the way back to the C47. First thing we do is we choose setup. We have now the DM42 key matrix. So these are our keys to get into the system menu, the DMCP menu to be exact. We choose file, then 3, activate USB disk. Okay, here we are. And now we go to our computer and get a window popping up, but we don't need it. We stay here in this thing. And on the left side, I click on DM42. And we see the flash memory of our calculator. There's just this program file, which we delete. And now we need all the stuff from the C47 project. I have these files already here, as you can see, but I will show you how to download this. And if you wish, you can skip this part, of course. So visit C47calc.com. Choose software with SIM. You see a zip file with the release. Choose your target directory. And put it there. So save. So now we have our zip file here. We extract this stuff. We have a new directory. We change into it. Mac OS is ignored. I choose the alpha version here and change into this directory. This is the C47 Windows simulator, which we don't need. What we need is this thing here. And I choose to extract it here, change into this directory, and there we have this file, which is important, and we have this one here, which is also important. These two files are what we need now. I copy these, I change back into our video directory, and here we are. I can paste it now and it will override them. So replace all. So these are the files we need. Here we are on the DM42 side, and again I copy these files and put them in here. So paste. Okay, that's it. And now again, the computer eject button is our friend. And we see that it has detected the change. And we have to leave here. We go back using backspace. We go into System. Enter the System menu, choose item number 4, and again item number 4, load QSPI from FAT. Press any key to restart. We see program loaded is still DM42 PGM, but that's okay. Press exit to continue. Another message. And now we choose number 3, load program. And there we have C47.pgm. Choose it. Then a warning that data in the memory will be overwritten, but that's what we want. Loading OK. Press any key to start. Loaded C47, press exit, and there we are. And if you have backed up your data, of course, right? At least so did I. Then we have to put these data back on the DM42, and I'll show you quickly how this works. I have my backup here. And I select the data we need. copy this stuff. And now I have to activate the USB mode here. And I'm not sure. Ah, yeah, here. It's the mode menu. And there we have DMCP. No, sorry. We first need activate USB. Okay, so first step. So now the USB mode is active again, and we see that's the wrong window. Go away. Okay, I activate this window on the left side and press DM42. And here we have our freshly installed C47. And on the other side, I change into the video directory where I have my backup. So, and now I copy this stuff and put it in here. So this takes some time because of the valuable off-image screen saving stuff. It's of great importance. Okay, so we have this back on track. We eject here. It jumps back. And now what I need is the command which is in the I/O menu and goes by the name load state file. And here you see, due to my backing up or restoring, of course, these are my state files. I take the latest one and get a warning, that's okay. And the C47 looks exactly like before. This is all you have to do. That's all. Okay. So have fun experimenting with your DM42 and the C47. And have a nice time. Bye bye.